Hi, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear, back with another deep dive into our Big Bear neighborhood series. Today, we are going to be tackling one of the most popular and wildest areas in the valley, Moonridge. So let's get into the pros and cons of living, renting, or investing in this beast of a neighborhood. Let's start with the big one. Moonridge is close to everything. We're talking minutes to Bear Mountain Ski Resort, the zoo, the golf course, hiking, biking trails, and just a short drive to the village. For short-term rentals, this is a prime. Winter guests especially love being able to take long drives and just head straight to the slopes. If you're buying an Airbnb or vacation rental, Moonridge is one of the top producing areas in all of Big Bear. You can charge top dollar during ski season and shoulder seasons like spring and fall, and still pull in traffic thanks to the trails, the golf, and the zoo. Another big win, you've got range. Moonridge stretches from lower Moonridge, closer to the zoo and golf course, all the way up to upper Moonridge with sweeping views of the slopes, the forest, and even the lake in some spots. Cabin? Yes. Modern A-frames? Yes. Full-blown luxury chalets with a hot tub on the deck and a game room? Also there. The city has also invested heavily in Moonridge infrastructure, adding sidewalks, roundabouts, and beautification projects. So not only is it functional, but it's becoming cuter and more walkable year by year. Now for the cons, because no area is perfect. First up, Moonridge gets busy. Especially during ski season, you will have cars lining the streets, guests everywhere, and a lot of energy. If you're looking for a peaceful mountain escape, this might not be your speed. At least not during peak weekends. Also, this area is very steep, literally. Many homes are built into the hillside, so driveways can be challenging in snow and ice. It's beautiful, but if you're not a fan of shoveling or maneuvering on a slope, it could be a pain. Because it's such a hot rental area, there's competition. Guests have a lot of choices, and pricing can fluctuate depending upon the season, your property style, and amenities. That means your cabin has to stand out. Hot tub, game views, or strong design. Or perhaps all of those. There are some HOA pockets in Moonridge, and vacation rental rules are always changing. So make sure you're on top of your STR permit status and city rules. Nobody wants to be caught off guard when the city tightens regulations. Here's the takeaway. Moonridge is the heart of Big Bear for skiers, renters, and anyone who loves being in the middle of the action. If you're looking for income potential, mountain vibes, and solid long-term appreciation, it's really hard to beat. But it's not the quiet corner of the woods. It's the vibrant, rental-driven neighborhood with real energy and real snow. So, buckle up and bring your chains. If you're curious about inventory, rental income potential, or just want to know which part of Moonridge is right for you, give me a call. I've got insights, numbers, and maybe even a few off-market properties. Next up, we are going to be heading over to the fronts. Think Eagle Point and beyond. You won't want to miss it. Again, this is Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear, talking about Moonridge today. See you on the next one. Bye.